Morning, everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a Ford F150 Hybrid. We'll check the year in a moment. Has front end collision damage and a little damage to the roof. Looks like it may have hit a pole in the front over here, and the pole fell on the roof, damaging the windshield and the front part of the roof and the sunroof. So you need a front bumper assembly, you need a grille, you need the radiator condenser, the radiator support, the hood. This frame rail has some damage here, and I'm sure that side of the frame rail has some damage, but you can see everything pushed back over here. Right headlight looks good. Right fender looks good. We'll go over the roof damage in a minute. The right front door is good. Right rear door is good. Right rear bedside has some damage here, and the taillight is damaged. Rear tailgate is good. Right rear bedside is good. Left rear bedside is good. And the left side looks pretty clean. Let's check under the hood. So you can see everything pushed back there. So you need everything up the middle here. Radiator, condenser, fans, bumper support, bumper assembly, but motor's sitting in place. Looks good here. The inverter's good. No damage there. The motor sits back pretty far, so it doesn't look like it was affected in any way. Let's take a look inside. Nice leather interior. All the airbags are good inside. Take a look at the roof. So just, you need the whole sunroof glass, both of them, and front windshield, which we'll probably replace to keep all the water out. But the roof skin over here looks like it can be repaired. I don't think you have to replace the roof skin on this. Not too bad. That door handle's missing, so let's take a look from here. So the interior is nice right here. No airbags blown at all. We have one key. This is a pretty loaded. Got power seats on the side. Nice leather interior. Nice trim here. Navigation. All the bells and whistles. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.